what I'm cooking, guys. Can you guess what it is? I'm craving. I guess I am a typical Asian, specifically a Filipina. So this is a treat, guys. You have no idea how much we love eating this back in the Philippines. We even grow this in our farm. Okay? Peanuts is coming all the way from India. So yeah, so I bought this from, yeah, we eat this usually with put salt on it, you know, you put salt on it after we cook, and then like snacks. Oh god, I love having this with soft drinks like Coke, cold Coke, or Mirinda. Anybody remember Mirinda? Or Royal True Orange. Oh god. Of course I have that, you know. I always have these guys here. Every time I crave something like this, all I have to do is just go to Oriental shop and have these peanuts, and they are really fresh, and it's cooking it for, you know, until it cook. My midnight snacks. Do you ever have a midnight snack, guys? I do. I actually do. I tend to have midnight snacks. That is looking good and almost done. It won't take long, guys, to cook because you need to cook low heat. So I just put like 3. That one. Oh, I could put it in higher a bit. So guys, to all British who like planning to marry or to be in a relationship with Asian lady or especially Filipina, you must find out what they eat, what they like eating, and most especially an Oriental shop where you can shop, you can buy some Asian food. Do you know why? Because although we've been here in the UK for donkey's years, but we still have that craving for our food back home, and one of them is this one. So search for an Oriental shop, and if you buy some Oriental food, and I'm sure that you love Oriental food, you would really make your lady or your woman, your wife, your girlfriend, or your fiance very, very happy. And who knows, you might win her heart for them. Oh god, that's good. Yeah, that is one important tips, guys, that I can, to all British men out there who's planning to in a relationship with Filipina. Okay, this is my tip, because this is definitely, guys, can make my day. See this, you know, that feeling that you're feeling, you know, you're craving with the food and feeling nostalgic as well. So at the same time, I miss food back in home, and then satisfaction and happy. So that's what you can make your woman feel, and you'll be rewarded at the end of the day. Food is the key. Alright guys, it's in here. Okay, so let me strain it. That one. Oh no. In here. I used to put like garlic on it, but I don't wanna smell the garlic. Don't hold that. So, next time I'm gonna show you how to cook peanut brittle and peanut butter. Yeah, I know how to make peanut butter, guys. Okay, right, that's there, and I'm going to sprinkle a bit of salt on it. Salt is the key. And I'm just going to feel it. So my snap. Put that in here. Serve. Right, that's it. And this is my peanut. And it's snack time. Not doing done. Sarap. Kainin ko ito habang nanonood ng aking program. So who says that we cannot get peanuts here? We definitely can get peanuts here in the UK, and it's coming from all the way from the village of India. Shut up. Craving to the max. Every month or once a month I have craving. Any kind. One of them is food. Obviously most of it is food. Sarap. Sarap. Thanks for watching. It's my pleasure to share you one of my favorite food or snacks. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe on my channel. Make Channel UK. I'm easily searched. All you have to do is just search my name and watch my video, and don't forget to leave a comment down below, and click subscribe and the notification bell, so you will be notified on my next upload and more food contents. All right.